In the shadows where doubt finds its home, a whisper says, can't change alone. Like stones in the river, unmoving they stay, but the waterfall shows us another way. Close your eyes, hear the crashing flow, feel the mist on your face as it softly shows life in motion. And we are too. Change is a current that carries us through. Take a deep breath by the waterfall's edge, let its rhythm dissolve in your dread. Every small step a ripple inside. Courage blooms when we stop the tide. The fears of forest tangled in dance, but with each choice we climb the fence. The waterfall sings a melody clear, change is the proof that life is here. Take a breath by the waterfall's edge, let its rhythm dissolve in dread. Every small step a ripple inside. Courage blooms when we stop the tide. Taste the cool mist, let it soak your skin. See the light dancing deep within. Hail the echoes that whisper profound. Responsibility is the courage you found. Take a breath by the waterfall's edge, let its rhythm dissolve in your dread. Every small step a ripple inside. Courage blooms when we stop the tide. Like a leaf in the current we float, carried by choices the ones we wrote. Change isn't force, it's the wind's embrace, guide us gently to a safer place. Take a deep breath by the waterfall's edge, feel the strength in the path you pledge. Every moment a choice to be free, courage flows like waterfalls to the sea. We are rivers, always craving what's next. Through the rocks, through the nights and days, change is a song, waterfall sways. Embrace the flow, it's on life, it's the wings we can grow.